Hi everyone and welcome back. Day 13 of take 5. We got 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this one started in plank. In 3, 2, 1. So you're at the top of your push-up position, engage your stomach, and I just want you to move your hips up and then your shoulders forward. All right, so we're gonna apply a little bit of knee to nose action after this, but so far warming up the shoulders and ankles as you move forward and back. 3, 2 more for me, 2. Last one, press your hips up, exhale, shoulders forward. Now lift your right foot. Good, exhale, knee to nose, round the back, and then press. Knee to nose, round. Good, press. 2 more, knee to nose, press. Really try to work on the shoulder mobility here, and then press. Good, feet together, plank. Lift the left, knee to nose, work on that grounding, and then press. Round, press. Good, hold on to it. Round, press. One more time, round. Press your leg all the way up. Good, feet come back together. Now, knee to nose, but we're gonna move it right and left, okay? So, in, move right, left. Knee to nose, move right, left. Good, in, right, left. This one gets hard. In, right, left. One more time. In, right, left. Good. Plank. Exhale, drop your knees. Now, flip over onto your back. Don't worry, we're gonna get back to that left foot. And you're gonna exhale your feet down into the ground. And then I want you to very carefully reach straight up to the side, sky, sit up. Good, and then roll back. Sit up. And then roll back. Nice. 3 more. 1. Gives you a moment here to get out of those shoulders. 2. Last time, all the way up. Good. Exhale, hold, elbows to the sides. Good. Twist. Left, right, left, right. Core tight. Feet down if you have any back pain or tension. Keep moving through. You're almost at that halfway mark. In 4, twist, 3, twist, 2, twist. 1 more each side, and that puts us there. 2.5 to go, all right? Come back to plank. Now, left foot lifts. Here we go, knee to nose. That knee goes left, right, hold. Knee to nose, left, right, hold. Knee to nose, left, right. 2 more. In, left, right, hold. Good. In, left, right, hold it. Step it back. Push your hips back. Good. And then exhale, shift forward. Right knee, left knee, push back. Right knee, left knee. Now watch. Right hand reaches for left foot. Plank. Left hand reaches for right foot. Plank. Good. Continue alternating here. Side to side. Working your muscles as you go forward and back. And like we talked about before, the mobility in the shoulders, trying to bring them beyond your knuckles. 1 more to each side. Good work. Exhale, land in plank. Hold 3, 2, 1. Flip it right back onto your back, okay? Give me 5 roll-ups. 3, 2, 1. Sit up and then roll back. Sit up. Good, roll back. Keep going, sit up. Roll back, last 2 right here. Sit up. Good, roll back last time, sit up. And then roll back halfway, elbows out. We twist. Less than a minute to go. Feet up if you can. Good, let's do 8. Twist. 7, 6, 5, push through. 4, 3, keep your core tight, chest up. 2, 1 more each side. All right, we got about 30 seconds, quick flip. Now, we are gonna bring your knee to your chest, to the outside of the right arm, back. Chest left, outside left, back. Chest, right, back. Chest, left, good. Right, chest, yes, back. Left, out, center, back. Bring it in, out, center, back. Bring it in, out, center, hold it. Come on, tight, tight, tight. Lower to your forearms. Last few seconds, and done. Nice work, guys. A lot of yoga combo stuff thrown in there for you today. A lot of movement, hips to shoulders. All right, way to work. I'll see you tomorrow for take 5, day 14. Thanks, guys.